skipping the main line here, guys. We got the hookup right over here. Tokyo Auto Salon 2019. Here we go, baby. Got the media pass. Let's roll. Everyone get the B-roll footage from the escalator. First order of business, buy some auto cars. Which one you getting, Alex?
The black RW bit. That one. Top right.
Really cool parts.
There it is. All right, we're trying to teach Max how to tie a knot. Here we go. Hold on.
So right,
These are the passes that we have.
Don't actually tie both. Do the start.
We got the passes right here, guys.
See that? That's
And
one.
you had to tie your own knot.
This is not going in the video.
There you go.
Okay. So you done your first? Is that your first knot?
No, I have shoelaces.
Tied the knot.
We got the RWB Porsche right here. Hope you guys enjoying the footage here at Tokyo Auto Salon 2019. We got the DPLS F40 skateboard right there. This is the same F40 that was featured in Red Bull video where this guy was running around in the snow. It's got the snow changed in the rear right there. Impeccable zoom quality, and of course the fog lights, the infamous fog lights. If you haven't seen the video, make sure to check it out. But oh, of course, goodie bags right here. Makes you wonder what's inside. I want to snag one. It's the Gordon brand trikes here at the Tokyo Auto Salon. Completely, look at that, emblazoned on the side right there. That's what we're talking about, guys. The Gordon stand. Now, what's suspicious is there's a pole in the middle right there. What do you think's about to happen down there, guys? Check this out. We got the Rocky 3000 GT. It's a replica of the Toyota 3000 GT. It's not that bad, but what's interesting is the car right over here. You're gonna like this, guys. I have no idea what I'm looking at. I don't know if it's like a cartoon car or an anime car. Let's take a look at the Kanto Dream 1. Okay, there you go. If this is in some sort of anime or some sort of movie, you guys gotta let me know. But man,
Have you seen the seats?
the seats, they don't look comfortable at all. Oh, everything else looks pretty stock. Oh, it's got wheel covers on all four wheels.
What's your wheel?
I don't know. And it's got a nice little carpet leather thingy. Oh yeah. And of course, the signature flower on the rear. Oh, have you seen the trunk? Look at the trunk. No way! Are you kidding me? It's a mini diorama of a Japanese village or something? I don't know. Oh, dude, it's a samurai sword. Yes. Dude, this is my kind of car show. Now we're rolling, guys. We got snowflakes on the dash, and we got, like I said, all four wheel covers and a tiger on the side. This is quite amazing, guys. Oh, no way. Instead of floor mats, they got rocks and pebbles. It's a little hard to see there, but yeah.
Look at the gear stick. Go for it.
The gear stick? Okay, hold on. Let me go this way. Sorry. The gear stick. What the? It's like a hornet's or a wasp's sting. What do you call in the rear of the bee or a wasp? Check out the rear right here. No way. This is quite amazing, guys. We're off to a great start here at the Tokyo Auto Salon. Is this what I think it is? A Donk Explorer? What size are the wheels here? 30-inch? Got 30s possibly on this Ford Explorer. Oh my. We got the Aventador SV in the 50th anniversary Japanese edition paint scheme. You guys remember from my last visit to Japan, we saw all 5 of them at a random warehouse in Yokohama. Anyways, this guy's decided to take it upon himself to replicate that paint scheme with a wrap. Got the Winnie the Pooh Huracan Spider with the Liberty Walk Kit. And there's a random man's head right over there. Bam! Little RC remote car for the kids. Check out the serious ass MOFO right there, guarding the Team of Ninja stand. The Urus 86, base model, and FT86. Yep, I see the resemblance. That is pretty cool. Got flame for days. Interior, look at that. The gauge clusters. It's a massive iPad at the center console right there as well. Nice. The scissor doors and the hood. And the guitar. What do you guys think about racing SVR, not the Jag SVR. We got a Centenario rear bumper here on this event door. Look at that. All right, guys, we're currently here at BH Auctions at the Tokyo Auto Salon. We got Carrera GT. There's around 50 lots that are going to be auctioned off in around 2 hours. I've never seen this before. Is the Nissan GTR R35 Kamikaze R Supersonic by HKS. Look at this funky wing here, dude. And the diffuser. Suspicious. And we got the 308 Koenigs Special right over here. Of course, we got the estimated auction price right on the windshield. 8.5 million yen to 13.5 million yen. All right, the media pass has come in clutch once again. We got the F40 right over here. Of course, we got the favorite car of choice, personally for me, the Testarossa Koenig Special. Too bad they didn't put all the Koenig Specials together. There's a 308, and of course this one right here. Let's take a look inside. Oh, pretty sick. Of course, we got the wing right here. Dude, I really do like this car. Scratman, you hear that? Better than the FI exhaust, the Star Dropper exhaust. 10 times louder, 10 times cooler. Dude, that is honestly the loudest i8 I've ever heard. Okay. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Keep on walking. Got more Hoshi just chilling right outside over there. Here it is, guys, the Zonda Ninja. Right over here with the ski box. It's got fins on top as well. What do you guys think? Is this sacrilege or is this cool? I think it's pretty damn sick. We saw this car in its entirety right here, minus the ski box last year at TAS. And we actually had a nice little photo shoot in Ginza right over here. There you guys have it. You might not like it, guys. Well, you're gonna have to accept it. That thing is nuts. Oh, here we go. What would Horatio think of all this, in all seriousness? And they've added the lights in the rear there too. That's sick. Liberty Walk cars are leaving over there. The Zonda Ninja is right over here, but it's completely backed up. So I think we're gonna have to go that way. Here we go. We got the Liberty Walk cars rolling out. I actually have not did debut. Well, as I said, new ski box, new look, and it looks pretty awesome. There you go, last look before it disappears, and most likely will get modified in the very near future by Mr. Ninja. Yes, we got the mini GTR right here. Would you rock one of these? Got the one-off bizarre Mitsuoka right over here, modified by Liberty Walk. Got an NSX chassis, V6. Oh, that is pretty cool. Will not mind rocking one of those. Or is it one of those chassis with like an electric motor? Holy crap, hold on. Gotta get out of the way here. Correction, they're actually gonna drive it off. There it goes. That is awesome. It's like a mini little go-kart. That's cute. I completely overlooked this. It's a full carbon fiber bodied Porsche. And that's all you're gonna get. Goodbye. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for 2019 Tokyo Auto Salon. It's only been like an hour. The entire show has been basically dismantled. At least half the show and half the cars. So, that being said, hope you guys enjoy the footage. Hey, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next video, guys. Peace.